Hello everyone, this is my review of this Coach bag that I bought for my wife. The polished pebble leather exudes sophistication, and the black oxblood color adds a unique touch that complements various outfits. The bag's design is both stylish and practical. Its spacious interior comfortably holds daily essentials, including a wallet, phone, keys, and a small makeup pouch. The internal zip pocket is perfect for securing smaller items. The snap closure keeps her belongings safe while allowing easy access. One of the standout features is the versatility in carrying options. The detachable strap allows her to wear it as a crossbody during the day and switch to the top handle for a more formal evening look. The bag's structure maintains its shape well, giving it a polished appearance at all times. Overall, the bag combines elegance with functionality. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a high-quality, versatile handbag that transitions seamlessly from day to night. I highly recommended it, and I hope this review helps.